What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is gonna be my third time trying to film this video. The first time I started filming, it got too dark outside and I didn't have anywhere else to work, like in a shop or anything, so I was like, screw it, I'll do it another day. The next time I tried, it was too windy because you know how this Missouri weather be. So this time, hopefully nothing happens. It's a beautiful day outside. So for you guys today, I will be installing a strut bar I got from one of my friends. They actually gave it to me for free. They just had it laying around. I don't know why, but and it's the exact same model as for what my car is. So let's go ahead and start installing this, see what screws we need. I think all the screws we need for it are actually already on the car. We just need to take them off and put them back on. So let's see how it is. So I kind of already did a couple steps, which you guys, I'm sure if you own a BMW, you already know, but I took all the plastic pieces off because you're going to need to do this to reach where the screws are right here. You're going to need to reach all these 3 screws, and it also depends on which strut bar you buy. Mine comes with the 3 holes, so you're going to have to take the plastic cover off. We're gonna take those screws off and try to align this and see if it fits good. So these screws right here are size 13, so I'm gonna drill these off real quick. Wrong way. All right. Make sure you keep them because you're gonna need them to install the strut bar. Alright guys, for this screw, I'm going to be using a 7/16. Use a wrench, it's a lot safer. You don't want to strip this screw with the power tool, because if you strip this, good luck getting it off because it ain't coming off. So I'm going to use this wrench. And there we go. And you don't have to take this completely off, just move it to the side a little bit, like that. Alright, so now let's do the same thing what we did on this side to the other side, and we'll see how the strut bar fits on. Alright guys, so I went ahead and actually put this engine cover on because I wouldn't be able to put it on after I put this, so kind of rookie mistake of me. So this is how it's gonna go. This strut bar goes on first, and then the black bar over. So let's go ahead and bolt these back on and see how it sits. Alright, now let's put these other ones on. So before I tighten these all the way, I'm going to go ahead and put the other side on. So make sure it sits evenly. Alright, I got it nice and secure. This thing ain't going anywhere. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the plastic covers back on. I was going to paint this yellow. I even bought the yellow paint, but I looked closer at this and it's like made out of some like fine chrome, which the paint would probably not stick to. So I decided that I'm just gonna order some yellow wrap. I'm doing yellow because I have yellow accents on my car. If you guys watch other videos, you guys know, you've seen my car. yellow accents on it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna end up ordering some yellow wrap. Dang, it is bright outside. All right, but yeah, let's go ahead and put all the plastic pieces back on and everything back together, and I'll do a little time lapse of me doing all that. So peace. Alright guys, so the car is finally complete. I'm gonna drive it a little bit and see if it makes any like performance difference, or not performance, handling, because it's supposed to like time the, yeah, I don't know what it's supposed to do honestly. But yeah, I just wanted to make a short little video on this, see if you guys were interested. If you guys aren't yet, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put it down in the description as always. You guys will be able to see the inside scoop of everything I do before I actually post a video on YouTube. So make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.